Welcome to the Homes of Linden Woods and Linden Ridge Real Estate Market Report. These luxury home areas are located in the southwest of Winnipeg, between Waverly Street and Kenaston Boulevard, separated by 𝗟𝗀𝘀𝘀 Boulevard. To the north of 𝗟𝗀𝘀𝘀, we find Linden Woods, established in the early 80s with homes built between 1982 and 2009. The majority of the homes were built in the 80s and 90s, and we find a good mix of detached houses and condos. Linden Ridge to the south saw homes constructed mostly from 2000 to 2007, and these are a little higher priced in general when compared to Linden Woods. This report is done in two sections, the first for Linden Woods and the second for Linden Ridge. Each section contains one slide for houses and another for condos. And we're looking at all the sales of the year 2020, so from January 1st till December 31st. Let's take a look. Starting with houses in Linden Woods. We can see that in the entire year there was only 2 listings under $400,000, and I can tell you they both sold right away, which makes if you have a house in Linden Woods under $400,000, it's pretty much a guaranteed sale. The bulk of the listings are between $400,000 and $600,000, and even here we're seeing 82 and 86% success rates, which is fairly high. And if you've got a house over $600,000, you can see that success drops to around the 50% mark, meaning that if you've got a $700,000-$800,000 house, there's a 50-50 chance that it'll sell. Winnipeg's market just isn't in those upper ranges, and extensive marketing and a good marketing plan are required to get it done. Now taking a look at condo sales, we can see that the success rate of condos really never touches 100%. They're mostly in the 50% range, 60%. A lot of condos in Linden Woods are under $200,000, but really the bulk of them are between $300,000 and $400,000. Here, success is around 65%. So, for example, if you had a listing between $300,000 and $400,000, there was 27 of those all year last year. 17 of those sold. Check out Winnipeg's Real Estate Podcast for the latest news, updates, and tips for home buyers, sellers, and owners in any market. If you're watching this as a slideshow, just click on the mobile phone picture or download my free apps available for Android and iOS devices by clicking the icons at the bottom of the screen. Missing an episode could be hazardous to your wealth. And now turning to Linden Ridge, we can see that all of 2020, there was only 21 listings in Linden Ridge, 16 of which sold. So if you had a house in the $500,000 to $600,000 range, they all sold. There was $1 million plus home which sold, 3 of them in the $750,000 to $1 million, all of those sold. The only category that struggled a little bit was between $600,000 and $750,000, where 6 of 11 houses sold. Now, as far as condos go in Linden Ridge, there's not a whole lot to choose from. All year there was only 8 listings, 3 of which sold, making the overall percentage just 3 of 8, 37.5% average. From all these numbers, we're seeing that Linden Woods and Linden Ridge are very desirable neighborhoods for the affluent buyers. If you're looking to buy or sell a Linden Woods or Linden Ridge house or condo, give me a call. It's Bo Kaufman, Remax Performance Realty, 204-333-2202. Check out our smart real estate newsletter. What's so smart about it? Every 2 weeks, you'll receive an email with links to 10 different interesting articles about real estate, home renovations, selling and buying tips, and other home-related topics. As you read the ones which interest you, the system learns your preference over time, and the next email you get will have more of what you like. Smart. We keep your information safe and private, we'll never sell your email address, and of course you can unsubscribe anytime. Give it a shot. Subscribe now. Let's take a look at the home selling process. A few weeks before you're ready to sell, call your favorite agent for a walkthrough of your home. Ask him or her for any advice on what should be fixed, repaired, replaced, or removed. Also discuss their commission and, most importantly, their marketing plan for your home. What are they going to do and how are they going to do the advertising and marketing for your home? After that, follow your realtor's advice and get your home ready for pictures. Make sure that your realtor is hiring a competent photographer to show off your house. If he or she shows up with their own cell phone to take the pictures themselves, I would suggest that that's just not good enough. Your home deserves to be shown off as best as possible on the MLS. The big day is here. You sign your listing agreement with your agent. You've agreed on an asking price, the commission rate, and the length of the listing contract. Now, this is important. All jurisdictions will have different numbers for this or different days, but there's actually a minimum of how long the listing contract has to run. At least there is in Winnipeg. It's a minimum of 60 days. In other words, you can't just put the house on the market for 2 weeks and see what happens. It has to be up live on the MLS for 60 days. Your agent should have ordered the photographer to come take the pictures, get the sign up, put the house on the MLS, and arrange for showings by appointment. Now, open houses are optional, but they shouldn't be required in a hot market. I often say open houses are more for the agent than for the home owner. It makes it possible for your listing agent to pick up new buyers, good for him or her, but it really doesn't help the home seller. The big day is here. You're getting offers. In a hot market, you may actually receive several offers at once. Your agent should explain the strength and potential weaknesses of each offer. It's not always about the price. So for example, if one offer is several $1,000s more, but the deposit is only $500 and possession is 3 months from now, your agent should be explaining that, hey, if possession day comes around and these buyers walk away, they lose $500. You have the option to go after them for more, but who wants to really go to court? That deposit is really to keep the buyer in the game. So if you have an offer that has a much stronger deposit, maybe consider that as well. You should consider all aspects of every offer before deciding, because once you've accepted something, you're pretty much locked into that. This is 𝗀𝗶𝘁𝗀𝘀, RE/MAX Performance Realty in Winnipeg, wishing you good luck and good selling.
Are you thinking of selling your Winnipeg house or condo? Work with the listing agent who goes beyond the MLS. 𝗀𝗀𝘁𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance has a marketing plan that is second to none. Book your free marketing plan and evaluation today. Bo knows real estate.
Let's take a look at my marketing plan for your home. I believe you don't get a second chance to make a great first impression. That's why the base of any impactful marketing must be professional photographs, videos, and even 3D tours and floor plans. Gorgeous, well-lit photos are the basis for what happens next. Social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and others are a great way to get your listing out there. But the heart of it all is the MLS, which is now called Realtor.ca in Canada and Realtor.com in the US. While people hang out on social media and share funny videos and favorite cat pictures, serious buyers look online when they're ready to buy. That's why my listing syndication service shares your home on sites such as Homes.com, Point2 Homes, RE/MAX, and Kijiji, just to name a few. These sites record millions of hits per month, assuring that your property is seen by motivated buyers everywhere. For select listings, I also have access to luxury homes websites all over the world, where affluent buyers can find your luxury property. So when you're ready to list your house or condo in any price range, please know that I've got the marketing plan for you.
Are you thinking of selling your Winnipeg house or condo? Work with the listing agent who goes beyond the MLS. 𝗀𝗀𝘁𝗀𝘀 of RE/MAX Performance has a marketing plan that is second to none. Book your free marketing plan and evaluation today. Bo knows real estate.